Hello, this is Stevie Nicholas Cross, and I'm going to react to Sport2Blog Video Mat 9's video trying to make me laugh. And I watched it a few times and it did make me laugh. So, here we go. Oh, wait. Okay. And here it he just shakes the camera around.